A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue application of differential equation. So after this lecture, we'll continue multiple choice PYQs. So let us begin lecture number 5. Application of differential equation. In a certain culture of bacteria, the rate of increase is proportional to the number present. If it is found that the number doubles in 4 hours, find the number of times the bacteria are increased in 12 hours. Let n be number of bacteria present at any time t. According to problem, the rate of increase is what? dn by dt is proportional to number of bacteria present at time t, and that is what n. Therefore, dn by dt is what? Is equal to kn. Write this as equation number 1, where k is proportionality constant. Now, this differential equation we have to solve. So dn upon n is equal to k dt. We separated variable. On integrating, we get dn upon n is equal to k integral dt plus c. Log n is what? kt plus c. This is equation number 1. When time is what? 0. When t is 0, n is what? n0. That is original number of bacteria is what? n0. What will get? Log n0 is equal to 0 plus c. So c will be log n0. Substituting, c is equal to log n0. C is equal to log n0. In equation 1, log n is equal to kt plus log n0. Therefore, log n minus log n0 kt. Log n upon n0 kt. This will write equation number 2. So what they are saying, the number, if it is found that the number doubles in 4 hours, when time is 4, n becomes 2n0. When t is 4 hours, n becomes 2n0. We'll get log 2n0 upon n0 is equal to 4k. So k is what? 1 by 4 log 2. So equation 2 becomes log n upon n0. Log n upon n0 is equal to t by 4 log 2. Now they want find the number of times the bacteria are increased in 12 hours. That means when t is 12, when t is 12 hours, n is what? Log n upon n0 12 by 4 log, so log n upon n0 3 log 2, log n upon n0 log of 2 cube. So n upon n0 is what? 8. So n will be what? 8 times n0. Therefore, after 12 hours, number of bacteria will be 8 times original number. If population of country doubles in 60 years, in how many years will it be triple? Under the assumptions that the rate of increase is proportional to the number of inhabitants. Let P be population of country at any time t. According to problem, rate of change of population, that is dp by dt, is proportional to number of inhabitant, that is population. So dp by dt is what? Kp, where k is proportionality constant. So dp upon p is what? K dt. On integrating we get dp upon p is equal to k integral dt plus c. Log p is what? Kt plus c. Equation number 1. Equation number 1. What they have given? Population doubles in 60 years. When t is 60 years, p becomes 2 times the original number. Therefore, log of, suppose we'll take original number as what? P0. When time is 0, we'll take original number as what? P0. When t is 0, p is equal to, so log p0 is what? 0 plus c. So c is log p. Log p0. Therefore, equation 1 becomes one becomes log p is equal to अभी चेंज करवाया था kt प्लस, कभी कभी ऐसा हो जाता है प्रॉब्लम. Bring log p0 on this side, so log p minus log p0 kt. Therefore, log p upon p0 kt. This is equation number 2. Therefore, Now, when time is what? 60 years, P becomes 2 times P0. The log of 2P0 upon P0 is equal to 60K. So K will be 1 by 60 log. Therefore, K is equal to 1 by 60 log. So equation 1 becomes T by 60 log 2. They want time when P becomes 3P0. To find T when P becomes triple. Therefore, log 3P0 upon P0 is equal to T by 60 log 2. So log 3 T by 60 log 2. So T is what? 60 into log 3 upon log 2. Now the value of log 3 is what? 1.0986 6912. 1.0986. Divided by log 2 is what? 0.6912. Therefore, T will become 60 into 10986 upon 6912. Now we can divide, we'll get 60 into 10986 60 into 659160. 95.36, which is 95.4 years. Therefore, it will take 95.4 years to triple the population. If a body cools from 80 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius at room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes, find the temperature of body after 1 hour. Let theta be temperature of body at any time t. According to Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus theta naught, where theta naught is equal to 25 degrees Celsius, is room temperature. Therefore, d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus 25 degree. So d theta is equal to d theta by dt is equal to minus k theta minus theta naught, theta minus 25. K is proportionality constant. Negative sign indicates theta is decreasing. As time increases, theta decreases. So d theta upon theta minus 25 is equal to minus k dt. On integrating, we get d theta upon theta minus log theta minus 25 minus kt plus c. Equation 1. When time is 0, theta is what? 80 degree Celsius. So log of 80 minus 25. So c is what? Log 55. So equation 1 becomes log theta minus 25 is equal to minus kt plus log 55. Log theta minus 25 minus log 55 minus kt minus theta minus 25 upon equation 2. Now it takes 30 minutes to become 50 degree. When t is 30 minutes, theta is what? 50 degrees Celsius. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log 50 minus 25 upon 55 log 50 minus 25 upon 55 is equal to minus 30k. So k is what? Minus 1 by 30 log 25 by 55. Minus 1 by 30 log 5 by 11. Therefore, equation 2 becomes log theta minus 55 upon 25 t by 30 log 5 by 11. Now, when time is 1 hour, 1 hour means 60 minutes. Theta is what? The log of theta minus 55 upon 25 is what? 60 by 2, 30. Theta minus 55 upon 25 2 log 5 by 11. Theta minus 55 upon 25 log 5 by 11 square. Theta minus 50, sorry, it is reverse way, sir. 25 upon 55. So theta minus is equal to 25 by 121. 55 into 11 by the 5 into 25, 125. 25 degree plus 0.40. 11 3 are 36. 40, 4, 0. 40 left the 7. So theta is what? 36.36 degree. Therefore, after 1 hour, temperature of body will become 36.36 degrees Celsius. The rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to number present. If initially there were 1000 bacteria and the number doubles in 1 hour, find the number of bacteria after 2.5 hours. Take root 2 is equal to 1.414. Let at any time t, n be number of bacteria present. According to problem, dn by dt is what? Proportional to n. So dn by dt is what? Kn. K, proportionality constant. Dn upon n is equal to k dt. On integrating we get log n is what? Kt plus c. When t is 0, number of bacteria is what? 1000. So log of 1000, 0 plus c. So c is log 1000. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log of n is equal to kt plus log 1000 log of n minus log of 1000 n upon 1000 is equal to kt. Bacteria doubles in 1 hour. When t is what? 1 hour, n becomes 2000. So log of 2000 is equal to k into 1. So the value of k is what? Log 2. Equation 2 becomes log of n upon k is log 2. So t log 2. When t is, that is 5 by 2 hours. N is question mark. Log of n upon 1000 is equal to 5 by 2 log 2. So log n upon 1000 log 2 raised to 5 by 2. So n upon 1000 is what? 2 raised to 5 by 2. 1000 into 2 square root 2. 1000 into 4 times 2.141. This is the value of root 2 given. N is what? 4 into 2141. 1.414. I did mistake. It is 1.414. 1.414. 4 into 1414. Therefore, after 2.5 hours, number of bacteria will become 5656. Question number 5. The rate of disintegration of radioactive element at any time t is proportional to its mass at that time. Find the time during which the original mass of 1.5 gram will disintegrate into its mass of 0.5 gram. Time we need to find out. Let m be mass of mass of radioactive substance at any time t. According to problem, dm by dt is what? Is proportional to mass. So dm by dt is what? Minus kn. Negative sign indicates m is decreasing. So dm by n on integrating we get log m is equal to minus kt plus c. What they are saying? Original number mass is what? 1.5. When time is 0, m is 1.5 grams. Therefore, log of n 0 minus log 1.5. So C is what? log 1.5. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log n is equal to bring log 1.5 on this side. Log m minus log m upon 1.5 minus kt. Equation number 2. Now condition given is what? Find the time. T we need to find out when. T is what? When n becomes 0.5 grams. So T will be log 1 by 3. So T is what? Log 3 upon K. Therefore, time required will be 1 upon K log 3 to become mass 0.5 grams. Sixth is the rate of decay of certain substance is directly proportional to the amount present at that instant. Let A be amount of substance at any time t. According to problem, dA by dt is what? Proportional to amount. dA by dt is what? Negative sign indicates it is decreasing. A is decreasing. dA upon A is what? On integrating, we get dA upon A log A is what? Minus kt plus initially there are 25 grams. When time is 0, A is 25 grams. So log of 25 is equal to 0 plus C. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log A is equal to 0 plus, kt plus minus kt plus log A minus log 25 minus kt. Equation 2. 2 hours later, it found that 9 grams are left. When time is 2 hours, A becomes 9 grams. 9 by 25 is equal to minus k into 2. Log 3 by 5 square. So k is what? 2 log 3 by 5. 2 log 3 by 5 is equal to minus 2k. So k is what? Minus log 3 by 5. Equation 2 becomes log A by 25 is equal to T log 3 by 5. Now what they want? After one more hour. This was after 2 hours. No, so one more means after 3 hours. A we have to find out. To find A when time becomes 2 plus 1, 3 hours. So log A by 25, 3 log A by 25 is what? A is what? 25 into 27 upon 5.4 grams. Therefore, after one more hour, amount becomes 5.4 grams. This is 7. Find population of city at any time t, given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant. Let P be population of city at any time t. According to problem, dp by dt is what? Proportional to p. Kp, K proportionality constant. So dp upon p is what? K dt. On integration, log p is equal to kt plus c. Equation number 1. Population by instant that in a period of 40,000 in case 30. When time is 0, population is 30,000. Therefore, log 30,000 0 plus c. C is log 30,000. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log P is what? KT plus log 30,000. P minus log 30,000 KT. KT log P by 30,000 is equal to, this is equation number 2. Further, what they are saying, in a period of 40 years, when T becomes 40 years, P becomes 40,000. Therefore, log 40,000 upon 30,000, 40K. So K is 1 by 40 log 4 by 3. So equation 2 becomes log of P upon is equal to T by T by 40 log 4 by 3. T by 40 4 by 3. What they want? Given that rate in this, anytime T we get to find out. So log of P upon raised to T by 40. So P upon 30,000 is, so P upon 30,000 is equal to 4 by 3 raised to T by 40. So P will be what? Cross multiply 30,000 into 4 by 3 raised to T by 40. Therefore, population of city at any time T is 30,000 into 4 by 3 T raised to 40. We'll go to next problem. So we'll go to our question number 8. A body cools according to Newton's law of cooling from 100 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius in 20 minutes. Let theta be temperature of body at any time t according to Newton's law of cooling, d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus theta naught. So d theta by dt is proportional to theta minus 20 degree. Theta naught is equal to 20 degree is room temperature. Your area temperature of surrounding. So d theta by dt is equal to minus k theta minus 20 degree. Negative sign indicates theta is decreasing. So d theta upon theta minus 20 is equal to minus k dt. On integrating, we get d theta upon theta minus 20 so log of theta minus 20 minus kt plus c. Equation number 1. When time is 0, theta is what? 100 degrees Celsius. So log of 100 minus 20 is equal to, so c is log 80. Therefore equation 1 becomes log of theta minus 20 minus kt plus log 80. Bring log 80 on this side. Log of theta minus 20 upon 80 minus kt, equation number 2. Now when time is 20 minutes, theta is what? 60 degree. When t is 20 minutes, theta is what? 60 degree. Log of 60 minus 20 upon 80 minus 20k. So log 1 by 2. Log 40 by 80 is equal to log 40 by 80 20k. k is minus 1 by 20 log 1 by 2. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log theta minus 20 upon 80 is equal to t by 20 log 1 by 2. Now what they want, how long it takes to cool down to 30 degrees Celsius. To find T when theta is what, 30 degrees Celsius. So log of 30 minus 20 upon 80 t by 20 log 10 by 80 is what, 1 by 8. This is log 1 by 2 cube t by 20 log 1 by 2. So 3 log 1 by 2 is equal to t by 20. Log 1 by 2 will get cancelled. So 3 is equal to t by 20. So t is equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, it will take 1 hour to become temperature 30 degrees Celsius. A right circular cone has height 9 centimeter. It is inverted and water is poured into it. If at any instant water level rises at the rate of pi upon a centimeter square per second, that is square centimeter per second, where a is area of water surface at that instant. Show that vessel will full in 75 seconds. This will take O, AB, CD. This is radius R. Let at any time t R be radius and HD height of water level. In cone or conical vessel. Water level rises means height. This is height h and radius of base is what r. Water level is r. According to problem, dH by dt is equal to pi by A. A is area of water surface. So dH by dt is what? Pi by area of water surface is what? Pi r square. dH by dt is 1 by r square. We'll write this as equation number 1. Our aim is what? To find the relation between r and h so that we can remove this r in terms of h. Triangle OCD similar to triangle OAB. When two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in equal proportion. Therefore, height of cone is what? 9. 9 divided by h is equal to radius of base is what? 5. 5 upon r. So r is what? 5h by 9. Therefore, equation 1 becomes dH by dt is equal to 81 by 25 h square. यहाँ से हाँ चल on integrating we get integral dr by r square is equal to minus 4k by dt plus c. So minus 1 by r is equal to minus 4k pi t plus c, when time is 0, r is what? 3 millimeter. इसको पूरा कैंसिल ही कर दे. कर दो, डाइट करो. हाँ, वो वाले इसको करो, वो ऐसा आप करके करेंगे. कैसे कहते थे, जो पे डिलीट वही करो, नहीं होगा. इरेजर करने के लिए हम पैसे नहीं दे, जो डिलीट होगा. ये दूसरा वाला कहते हैं ना यार, हाँ तो क्लिक करो, करो. वो गलती से एंड कर दो. क्वेश्चन में देखो, क्वेश्चन में टच ना होता है. ओके, बना तो बस नया पे चलेगा वो. चलेगा नीचे से करो. अब उसके नीचे जितना भी बदल गया. अब आप किधर बताओगे जरूर. सही बात. हाँ ये चाहिए. Let at any time t r be radius v be volume and s be surface area of a spherical raindrop. According to problem, dv by dt is what? Proportional to s. D by dt of v is what? 4 upon 3 pi is equal to minus k times s. Negative sign indicates decreasing. Four upon three pi constant will come outside. Delta of r cube is what? 3r square dr by dt minus k into 4 pi r square. Now 4 pi 3 3 r square will get cancelled. So dr by dt is what? Minus k. Dr by dt is minus k. So dr is what? Minus k dt. On integrating we get integral dr is what? Minus k. So r is equal to minus kt plus c. When time is 0, r is what? 3 millimeter. So 3 is equal to 0 plus c. Equation 1 becomes r is equal to minus kt plus 3. After 1 r reduces to 2. When r is equal to 2, when t is 1. So 2 is equal to minus k into 1 plus 3. So k will be 1. K is 1. So equation 2 becomes r is equal to minus t plus 3. The rate of growth of population of city at any time t size population is proportional to size of population. Let P be population of city at any time t. According to problem, dt by dt is what? Proportional to t. dp by dt is equal to kp. K proportionality constant. dp upon p is equal to k dt. On integrating we get log p is what? kt plus c. Initial population is 10,000. When T is 0, P is 10,000. Log of 10,000, 0 plus C. Log 10,000. Therefore, equation 1 becomes equation 1 becomes log P is equal to KT plus log P minus log 10,000 here proportionality of constant is what 0.04. P upon 10,000 0.04 T. Since K is what? So now what they want? Find population of city after 25 years. When T is 25, we have to find out P. To find P when T is 25 years. So log of P upon 10,000 0.04 into 25. P upon 10,000 1. P upon 10,000 is what? So 25 H square dH is equal to 81 dt. On integrating, we get 25 integral H square dH. 81 integral dt plus C. 25 H cube by 3 81 t plus C. Now when time is 0, there is no water in the conical flask. Okay, in beginning there is no water. So time 0, height will be what? 0. When t is 0, h is what? 0. When t 0, h 0, therefore 0 is equal to 0 plus c. So c will be 0. Therefore equation 1 becomes 2 becomes 25 h cube by 3 is equal to 81 T. 25 HQ by 3 is equal to 81 T plus 0. Therefore, 25 H cube is equal to 243 T. To prove that vessel will fill 75 seconds. That is, to prove that T is equal to 75 seconds, then H will be 9. This is one way to prove. Put N is equal to T is equal to 75. Therefore, 25 H cube is equal to 243 into 75. H cube is what? 243 into 3. So H cube is what? 729. This implies height of water level reaches to height of vessel, conical vessel. This implies conical vessel is full of water. So in 75 seconds, conical vessel will fill with water. Assume that a spherical raindrop evaporates at the rate proportional to its surface area. If its radius is originally 3 millimeter and 1 hour later has reduced to 2 millimeter, find an expression for radius of the raindrop at any time t. Let at any time t r be radius of raindrop. According to problem, dr by dt proportional to its surface area. S is surface area. dr by dt is what? Minus Ks. Negative sign indicates R is decreasing. So dr by dt is what? 4 pi r square. dr upon r cube r square, sorry, p raised to 1. P is 10,000 E. Two point 71828. 7182. 7182. Therefore, after 25 years, population of city will be 27,182. Radium decomposes at the rate proportional to the amount present at any time t. Let A be amount of radium at any time t according to problem dA by dt is what? Proportional to A. dA by dt is what? Minus Ka. Negative sign indicates A is decreasing. So dA upon A on integrating we get minus Kt plus C, equation number 1. When t is 0, a we will take as what? A0. Log A0, 0 plus c. C is log A, 0. Therefore, equation 1 becomes log A is equal to minus kt plus log A0. Log A upon A0 is what? Equation number 2. They are saying if p% of amount disappears in 1 year, when t is 1 year, amount left will be original amount minus p% of A0 common. Therefore, equation 2 becomes log of A0 into 1 minus P upon 100 upon A0 is equal to minus K into, so minus K is equal to log of 1 minus P by 100. So equation 2 becomes log A upon A0 is equal to T log 1 minus P by 100. So log A upon A0, A is replaced by that minus K into 1. What percent of amount of radium will left after 2 years? When time is 2, A is what? When T is 2 years, A we have to find out. So log of A upon A0, 2 log 1 minus P by 100. A upon A0 square. So log of A upon A0 is what? P by 100. So A is what? A0 into 1 minus P by 100 square. This is amount left. Now we have to convert this in percent. So when original amount is A0, when original A0 after 2 years, amount left is equal to A0 into 1 minus P by 100. Therefore, when original amount is 1 after 2 years, amount left will be what? 1 minus P by 100. When original amount is 100 unit, after 2 years, amount left is equal to 100 into 1 minus P by 10 into 1 minus P by 100 square. Now this is in percent. So this is amount left, percentage amount left after 2 years. Is equal to 10 minus P by 10. Thank you very much. We are making this video on Diwali day to wish you all a very happy Deepavali and prosperous new year. Thank you very much. Enjoy bursting crackers, but taking care of yourself and your neighbor as well as environment. Thank you.